Welcome back to Zero to Financial Freedom. Today, we're breaking down how to buy your first stock, step by step, even if you've never invested before. Buying a stock might sound intimidating, but it's actually easier than you think. With the right tools and a little guidance, you'll make your first investment in no time. Step 1. Choose a stock brokerage. Think of this as your online stock store. Some beginner-friendly platforms are Robinhood, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Webull, and E-Trade. Look for zero-commission trading, easy-to-use apps, and solid customer support. Step 2. Open your account. It's just like opening a bank account. Fill in your info, link your bank, and verify your identity. This usually takes a few minutes to a day. Step 3. Deposit funds. Transfer money from your bank account into your brokerage account. Start small. Even $50 to $100 is okay for your first time. Step 4. Research the stock. Look into companies you already know, like Apple, Nike, or Coca-Cola. Check their recent performance, financials, and what analysts are saying. Use tools inside your app or websites like Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, or Google Finance. Step 5. Place your order. Search the stock's ticker symbol, like AAPL for Apple, enter the number of shares or dollar amount, and hit buy. Choose between market order, buy at the current price, or limit order, buy only if the price hits your target. Congrats! You're now a shareholder. Welcome to the world of investing. Remember, this is just the beginning. Stay curious, stay informed, and invest for the long term. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe to Zero to Financial Freedom, and comment below. Which stock are you planning to buy first? See you in the next one.